How do comparison operators work in JavaScript if-else statements? Imagine you're trying to decide whether to go outside based on the weather. In JavaScript, you can make similar decisions using comparison operators inside if-and-else statements. These operators compare two values and tell your program whether a condition is true or false. When the condition is true, the code inside the if block runs. If it is false, the code inside the else block runs instead. The most common comparison operators include the double equals sign, which checks if two values are equal regardless of their type. For example, if you compare the number 5 with the string 5 using double equals, JavaScript considers them equal. But if you want to be strict and check both value and type, you use 3 equals signs. This way, 5 and the string 5 are not considered equal because their types differ. There are also operators for not equal to, which checks if two values are different, and strictly not equal to, which checks if they are different or of different types. For example, if you compare the number 10 with the number 20 using the not equal to operator, it returns true because they are not the same. But if you compare 10 with 10, it returns false. Comparison operators for greater than and less than check if one value is larger or smaller than another. For example, if you check if age is greater than or equal to 18, it returns true if age is 18 or more. If age is less than 18, it returns false. The same applies for less than and less than or equal to operators. You can also combine multiple comparisons using logical operators. The AND operator, written as to ampersands, checks if both conditions are true. For example, if age is at least 18 and the person has a driver's license, then they can drive. The OR operator, written as to vertical bars, checks if at least one condition is true. For example, if someone is over 65 or has a disability, they might qualify for a special discount. Comparison operators work with more than just numbers. You can compare strings, like checking if a name is exactly Alice using the triple equals operator. JavaScript treats certain values as falsy, meaning they are considered false in a condition. These include 0, an empty string, null, undefined, and non-empty strings or numbers other than 0 are truthy and will make the condition true. Using comparison operators inside if-and-else statements helps your code make decisions based on data. Whether you are checking ages, names, or other values, these operators are the tools that let your program respond correctly. They are the foundation of controlling how your code flows and reacts to different situations.